Hello everyone, welcome to Saaj Media. This is Sajan. Today I'm in Tokyo. So this video is about the travel guidelines from Delhi to Tokyo. Last video was from Tokyo to Delhi, and I traveled back to Tokyo on 26th November 2021. So this is the latest reference for those who are planning to travel during this period. So let's get into the topic. I'll tell you what are the documents I prepared, or maybe it is required to be prepared before the departure. One is like your negative RT-PCR certificate that should be in a Japanese government approved format. I'll give the link below. And second one is a questionnaire, you need to fill it out. That is also I'll give the link below of this video, and that will generate a QR code. That QR code you need to keep it with you, even if the screenshot is also fine, or you can take the printout. And third one is it like you need to download a MySOS application on your mobile, so that that would be used for tracking in future during your quarantine period. And fourth one is you need to submit a written pledge form. That also you need to take the printout. I'll give the link below this video. Okay, another thing is like you need to have your vaccine certificate. That will help you to reduce the quarantine period in Japan. So keep original or copy with you, original and copy with you, so that it will help you once you arrive in Tokyo. So let's get into the topic. As I told you, make sure that you are having this Japanese template. Normally when you go to the clinics, they will give their template. Don't bring that only. You tell them this is what I want. So this is a template, gives the example also, sample one also is there. You can give them and get it filled, and signature is also required. Doctor name, address, and maybe the person clinic name, then their company or institutions or that clinic signature, hango, that means that seal also would be required. Okay, so that is very important. That would be only mainly checking in Japan. Then the procedure is a little bit different compared to the normal arrival previously, if you have done it. So once you reach an airport, so they will guide you to a different designated area where lots of chairs would be ready for you to sit, and they will cross check all the documents whether you have done everything perfect. Then if it is not done, you will have to do that informations from there, fill out the informations from there. So it will take some time. So if you want to save the time, make everything ready. So once it is all done, you can see I have done everything. Then they will guide you to the PCR test area and in between they will give you one health card. I mean one small paper, which is they called it as health card. So that is required till end of that until you leave that airport. So now with that information, they will take you to the PCR testing area. Once the PCR testing is done, then then they will guide you to the next area that will normally download. They will ask you to download this application, MySOS application, what you have already downloaded. Then they will tell you what are the settings to be done. Okay, that one person would be explaining that one. Once that settings and downloading, they'll reconfirm whether everything is done perfectly. Then they will guide you to the next area. So they will explain what is that application is used for, and how it is used for, and what is the purpose. So basically that application is having three buttons, only three buttons. One is like once you reach home, just check one check-in button. That means you are checked in. Okay, you are at home now. And every day there is one button, update your physical reporting kind of thing. So every day you'll have to measure your temperature. Then if you have any other symptoms, there are some list, they have given some information. So if it is yes or no button is there, and if you are having some symptoms, you'll have to press yes, otherwise just press no and submit it. That will go daily reporting, that you'll have to do daily. And another thing is like there is I'm here button. So three buttons will be there: check-in, and maybe daily update, and an I'm here button. So you will get some notification from that application, and you'll have to, they'll say press your current location. Just press the current update the current location. So then you'll have to press the current location I'm here button. So it will be notified to them. In addition to that, they'll make some automated calls. Okay, maybe some automated calls, so you will get it. So you'll have to attend the call, and automatically that will be around 30 seconds or something. So after that it will be finished. So they wanted to ensure that you are actually here. Then sometimes you'll get a direct call, somebody will talk to you. I didn't get a direct call yet. I got automated call only. Then that explanation would be done from that person, so that application downloading would be definitely required. If you don't have a mobile phone, you'll have to get a rental one from airport, or maybe in the platform you are basically telling, if I don't have a application, sorry, mobile phone, I'll be getting it from outside, and you will have to proceed, you'll have to do follow these procedures. So and okay, then again they will guide you to the next area. They will, in that section, they will check your QR code, and they will ask you the QR code information that will be scanned. So then they will just verify what are the inputs you have given, the questionnaire you have filled out. Then they will just cross check something, then after that they will leave. Then it will guide you to the again to the next area. There maybe you will have to wait for your PCR test results. So once you complete these procedures, the last thing is like, you'll have to wait for your PCR test results. So that would be communicated to you. So once the PCR test is ready, they will tell you, okay, your PCR test is ready. Then there will be next area, you'll have to go and get one more slip. They will give, say, positive or negative. If it is negative, then your part is done. You can directly go to the your baggage collection area, security, that customs checking and all. So that normal procedure can be done. But if you have positive, seems like they will take you for a quarantine thing. So once everything is, if it is negative, then they will maybe one more thing is like, you cannot take public transportation during this period. So there would be, you'll have to arrange a private vehicle. Then otherwise it is not allowed to travel by the public transportation. So make sure that you are arranging something before you come to Tokyo. So, and once you reach home, as I told you, you'll have to check in the location. Then this quarantine period is for 14 days. And if you want to reduce the time of 14 to 10, and on 10th day of arrival, or maybe arrival is basically counted from the next day of your starting date is counted basically on next day of your arrival. So maybe on 10th day you will have to again go for a PCR test, a negative PCR test, PCR test. And then if the result is negative, then upload it on application. And once it is agreed, then the quarantine period will be reduced. So it can be shortened to maybe 11 days or 12 days instead of 14 days. So this is what the normal procedure currently happening in Japan. And maybe considering the new variant perspective, there may have changes in future. But as of now, today it is the current situation. So I hope this video help you guys. If you have any question, just message me. I'll give you more inputs. I'll give you more links, like, so that it will be easier for you guys to look into one area instead of going through different sources. So this is you'll get a complete picture from this video. I hope you understood this video, understood the procedures from this video. So please keep watching, please subscribe, please like, and please share with your friends. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.